Hello, everyone. It's Kat with Kat Wearing Photo, and thanks so much for tuning in. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for weekly edits in Lightroom. In addition to that, it really helps me out a lot, so I really do appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is a classy, elegant portrait that I shot of the lovely Lindsay. She is a San Diego based model, and we actually shot these at one of the Marriott's downtown. Now, for this, composition wise, I'm pretty happy with it. This is an overall good and decent portrait. So I'm not really going to do too much frilly stuff with it as far as the post processing. What you're going to see right now is just very simple and quick adjustments from the basics panel in Lightroom. Now, one thing worth noting, I did use Adobe's adaptive preset, specifically the Glamour Portrait preset, and I actually ramped that up to 160 on the amount slide bar. Other than that, we're going to keep adjustments very, very simple. We're not doing any type of radial gradients. It's just going to be a very, very quick flow. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, I do like to reduce my contrast. Not really too much, but just by a little bit, just because I do feel like it provides a more classy and editorial-like aesthetic. Now, I know that there's a lot of photographers out there that actually like to do the opposite, and that's how I was before. And obviously that's all right. But I just feel like the reduction in contrast actually adds to a more classy, elegant look. Now, another thing that I usually do is the color mixer. As you can see, I'm neutralizing the portrait just because it has a lot of orange, specifically with the light and her skin tone. So I'm just kind of neutralizing it a bit and also removing or reducing some of the green cast as well. And that's why I'm actually sliding the tint bar to the right just by a little bit. All right, guys, I think that we are just about through. So what I'm going to go ahead and do from here on out, a very, very simple thing. I'm sure you guys are well aware of it as well. I'm going to go ahead and make a virtual copy of this because I do feel I'm satisfied with it. I'm satisfied with these edits. I don't really think it needed to be post-processed any more than it has. And so I'm going to create a virtual copy by right-clicking that thumbnail on the bottom and then selecting virtual copy. And then what I'm going to do is just very, very simple, go into the profile and change it to a monochrome setting. Now for this, again, Adobe Lightroom is wonderful at providing you with several options to choose from. It's really, really easy to go down a long and deep rabbit hole of all the choices that you can choose from. But I think for the purpose of this, I really want to stick to the elegant and classy look. And so black and white 01 for me is going to be the perfect choice. Now for this, I'm going to actually ramp up the grain. I didn't in the colored, but I will here for the black and white. And I have reduced the roughness from 50 down to 16. I'm also going to increase the vignetting. I think this can actually provide a very, very dramatic look without making it too unnatural. So I'm just going to keep it like that. And what do you guys think before and after? Thanks so much. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment below. I'd love to read your thoughts. Take care, y'all. Kat Wearing Photo, out.